babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday. Although next week pa yon. Advance happy birthday and congratulations to Sir Charlie Pahut sa aking napakagaling at napakabait na cooperating teacher. So maraming salamat po sa naiporter yung kaalaman sa akin na nagagamit ko ngayon. Lalo na yung pasensya. So alam ko po next week pa yung birthday nyo, July 1, pero mauna na po akong bumati kasi baka malimutan ko pa na birthday nyo sa July 1. And congratulations on the school's achievement this school year. Hopefully it would continue on the next school year. So sana po in good health kayo lagi, more birthdays to come, at saka sana po namamanage nyo yung stress. I know how stressful it is to be a principal nowadays. So happy birthday po ulit and God bless.